This clip answers the query how to buy shares of Canaan Inc. and explains the basics for Canaan Inc., a technology company that designs and manufactures cryptocurrency mining hardware listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CAN. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. Always research and consider risks before investing. To trade shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to be able to place a purchase. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker CAN to find Canaan Inc. quickly. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing so you land on the correct stock page. On the asset page, review the company description and the price chart to understand recent performance. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker CAN to confirm it's the right stock. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens, and if there are insufficient funds, eToro will prompt you to add money before confirming. After purchase, your Canaan position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to open an account. This is informational and not investment advice.